Hello everyone! I ported the Windows Crazy Error malware 2989.exe to Windows 7 now. And I want to talk a little bit about what it is, how destructive it is, how to remove it, and generally its backstory. First of all, I released it. You can find it inside your local recycle bin. It now supports Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. I didn't say port for no reason, because it's an actual port of the original malware. The reason is, Windows 7 does not come with the Sound Engine X Audio 2 I'm using out of the box, so I had to port it to Direct Sound. That's why it might sound a little different on Windows 7, a little off maybe. There are no more notification toasts on Windows 7 either, so I had to substitute those with classic balloons. The DPI stuff is also Windows 10 and up, but you shouldn't really worry about it, it's the technical side of things. So, what even is that? It's a real-time crazy error malware. I've never seen that done before, so that's why I made it. Obviously, I've been inspired by the 4096 edit. You know which one I'm talking about. Everybody has seen it. I started making it early 2024 as a payload for my final malware, but I ultimately decided to separate it out. What could have been super harmful and deadly to the computer was turned into a practically harmless dance of message boxes. It's not destructive, and it's not persistent. On Windows 10 and up, it creates an image inside a temporary folder and a shortcut in the start menu, because I'm basically forced to do it for WinRT toasts. It changes one registry value called sShortDate inside HKCU. The only truly malignant thing it does is it sets itself as a critical process. So once you run it, there is no way back. It's just gonna crash the system. So make sure to save your work before you run it. Oh, and also it comes with a right-to-left override character in its name, so that just makes it a little spicier. In an ideal case, there is no removal process because it's not persistent. But if it crashes, you know where to look. And also, please don't run it on real hardware, because it's still malware, and malware hurts computers. So yeah, that's pretty much all I can say about it. Enjoy the show. This is 2989.exe on Windows 7.